ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now. Richard, another rough day on Wall Street as those records continue to fall.
They keep falling, Jacqueline. You're absolutely right. Today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average not only closed at a record high, but above 24,500 for the first time ever. The Standard & Poor's 500 index also closed at a record high, and despite those record highs, the Nasdaq posted a loss for the day. So I guess overall we call that a mixed market. The Dow was up by 166 points at the high of the day. And of course, tomorrow mid-afternoon we're going to hear from Janet Yellen for the last time. Most people expect the Fed will raise interest rates by 1/4%. I think most would be surprised if that is not the case. Let's take a look at the final figures. There you see the Dow. Look at that. 24,504.80, a gain of 119 points, 0.5% on volume of 688 million shares. The Nasdaq, as I said, a down arrow on a record-setting day, down almost 13 points, 0.2% at 6,862.32. That on volume of 1,777 million shares. And yes, a record for the S&P, not by much, up 4 points, 0.15% at 2,664.11. Well, the Pepsi-Cola Company and Tesla might seem like a strange set of companies to put together, but guess what? Pepsi today announced it has pre-ordered 100 semi-trailers from Tesla. Yes, I said semis from Tesla. These, of course, will be electric. They're going to save tremendous amounts of money on gasoline, as well as being economically friendly. And of course, Tesla says that these semis will be able to travel a total of 500 miles before having to be recharged. And of course, Pepsi said none of their trucks drive more than 500 miles on a given day. So it's a wedding made in heaven, I guess. But Jacqueline, I don't know about you, but seeing semis that are electric, I guess hard to fathom, but apparently that's going to be the case.
Things I never thought would come to fruition in our lifetime.
Exactly.
Well, talk to us a little bit about the news on Mattel.
Well, I don't know if you played with Barbie dolls when you were growing up, but I have to tell you, Mattel announced that the first 10 days of December, their sales were very disappointing. The stock was down almost 5% for the day, and of course, Christmas is coming up quickly, so a lot of people better go out and buy those Barbie dolls, or Mattel might just keep going lower.